suitcase. This jacket is drowning me. This is my like museum outfit idea, but we need help. We need major help. My outfit is so good right now. We are going to Paris and I need to pack. I have no idea what type of vibe I want to go for. I know it's going to be raining. So since it's going to be raining, I kind of want something that's super casual and comfy because I'm assuming we're going to be walking a ton. Guys, I'm so excited. I am so excited. And I've heard like Paris in the rain is actually like magical, like walking around the city. When it's raining, we'll see if it's actually like that. But we need to choose outfits. I actually like already kind of went through my closet to like pick through a little bit. I found a lot of dresses I wanted to wear, so, and you're supposed to be kind of like fancier in Paris, so I feel like dresses might be a good option. But we need help. We need major help. This is my suitcase. I have my Alaska pin on it. I'm gonna put a pin everywhere I go. Yeah. My outfit is so good right now. Okay, we're gonna start with shoes because I feel like that's easiest. I know for sure I'm gonna bring these because it's gonna be raining and these are actually very comfy for me to walk in. For my second pair of shoes, I have a lot of different options that I need desperate help with. We could go with these. They're Adidas. I think they're called the Gazelles, I'm pretty sure. These are cute. I don't like that they're not platform, but they could still be cute. So maybe these. Another pair of Docs. I'm really tempted to bring these just because, like my boots, they go with everything, and these would be good for dresses maybe if I didn't want to wear boots with my dress. Or Converse. The only thing, these are really good. They're kind of comfy to walk in and they're very good if it's like muddy because I can get these dirty. The only bad thing about these is that like I don't like to wear them with dresses because I have fat ankles. So, okay, first outfit guys. I just put the boots on. We got this floral dress that I got at Goodwill. Feel like a princess. Very pretty. I have Doc Marten boots on and I think I'd wear it with this like waterproof jackets in case it gets cold. Oh no guys, I think it's cute. I think I like it. We're gonna pack this. Good. And I think the boots kind of are fine with it. Another option is to wear this like really tiny cardigan with the dress. I love this cardigan because it doesn't take away from the structure of the dress. You still get to see it. It's not like overflowing, but it is super tiny, so I don't know if it looks weird. I don't know, does it look weird? I think it's cute. We'll try it. I'm gonna pack it just in case. But we need to go through the dresses. Okay, next dress option is this one. This is a black Brandy Melville maxi dress. I think this would look cute with the boots still, and I think the waterproof jacket would be fine with it too. Next we have this green one. I love this dress. I wear it any opportunity that I can. It's like a midi length. Gives me very Paris vibes. I think this one's good. I love it. Next we have this red, really pretty like maxi, really flowy dress that I got on an online thrift store. I thought this would look good with the small cardigan. Okay, I think that's it for dresses. That gives me like 4 or 5 options to choose from. I think that's good. We're back. It just took me like 30 minutes to take something out of my eye. I still don't even know what it was that was stuck in there, but it took forever to get it out. But we're pretty good now. This is my like museum outfit idea. It's very plain, but I kind of feel like that's good. Just this like brown turtleneck. So I think with the shoes, I decided that the boots just will work best. I don't even know if I'm gonna bring a second pair of shoes. Now it's just like what pants to wear because I really don't want to wear like jeans. I actually finally got the thing out of my eye and it was actually just hair, but now it looks like I have pink eye. But we're just gonna continue. This is another option. It's this like button up and then with the blazer, I feel like it kind of looks cute. I got this like floral corset a while ago and I like feel like I have to bring it. My sister says it's cheesy, but I love it. I just don't know about this jacket. I'm wearing it with everything because it's gonna be raining the whole week, but I feel like do all my outfits just look the same now? I don't know. So the only day it's not raining in Paris is, I believe, Tuesday, and that's the day that we're going to Disneyland Paris. And so I bought this specifically for the trip, but it's the only day it's like gonna be kind of sunnier, so I don't know if this is gonna be too warm. Okay, the last outfit is this brown shirt that I got from Brandy Melville. I might bring this jacket, not sure yet. And then my black dress pants and Doc Martens always. And I think that's pretty good. This This jacket is drowning me. I also have this one, which I actually really like. It has like little corduroy detailing and like cute buttons, but I just don't know if it's also too big and like too weird looking for Paris. I don't know if it's the right style. I kind of like it, but I'm not really sure. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna bring a black shirt, just like a really basic thing in case, and then maybe some sweatpants for at night. So now the fun part begins, really tight packing it so that I can fit the most of my luggage as possible. Okay, we packed, we left half the space, now I can buy a lot in Paris. It's probably not a good thing. I picked out my airport outfit that I'm gonna wear. It is the black pants that I've been trying on with every outfit, and the Doc Marten boots, and this red sweater because it's super comfy and that way I can sleep on the plane. Now let's pack the makeup. Suitcase is now packed. Put it on the suitcase. I think we only took up like half the space, which is good. I'm glad. I'm gonna have to pack like all my camera stuff, which is a lot. Also, if you're thinking about going to Europe, make sure you buy a charger converter. I got this from Amazon, but basically it has the European plug and changes it to fit your charging stuff. I almost didn't get this and I would have had a dead phone the entire trip. Okay guys, I think I got everything all packed. I'm waiting for my camera stuff to charge right now. That's the last thing that I need to put in my bag. I packed like one book for the airplane, but I hope I sleep on it on the airplane because it's an overnight flight and it's 10 hours, so I better get some sleep in. But I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys when I land in Paris.